Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you more easy, beautiful guitar chords up and down the neck of the guitar. This time, we're in the key of E minor or G major. These are really easy to play, and we'll only need to use 2 fingers to play each chord. So we'll hold down 2 strings for each one, and all the other strings will be open. So let's dive in. Now our first chord will be a C major 7 chord played this way. I'm using my index and middle finger to hold down the D string at fret 2 and the A string at fret 3, and I'm strumming from the A string. Like that. The other strings are open. In fact, we'll play all the chords in this lesson by holding down 2 fingers. Alright, that's C major 7. We'll raise that by 2 frets for a D6, 9, 11. Now move up to fret 5 and 7, place a finger on the D string at fret 5 and the A string at fret 7, but this time I'll include the low E string. And that is an E minor chord, believe it or not. We'll raise that by 2 frets to fret 7 and 9, play all the strings for an E minor, add 9, add 11. We'll move up to frets 9 and 10 to play an E minor chord again. That's another E minor. That's fret 9 on the D string and fret 10 on the A string, playing all the strings. We'll take that shape up by 2 frets, winding up at fret 11 and 12. For an E minor 611. Now when we go up the neck playing all these chords, they'll sound like this. Now, what does it sound like if we go the opposite direction, starting up at fret 11 and 12? Here's what we get. 2, ready, play. And you can play these chords in any order to come up with combinations of your own. Well, my friends, that's all for now. Easy, beautiful guitar chords in the key of G major or E minor. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.